Good morning, friends, students, followers, and fans. Hello, friends. This is my second lecture on YouTube Secrets of Dimensions. In this lecture, we are going to discuss 0 to 64 dimensions. I am Majid Waghole. I am kind of a self-declared scientist. I am author of book Economics in the View of Struggle. This is economical scientific book. Welcome to my second lecture on YouTube. In last lecture, I explained four dimension time as I personally acknowledge from book of relativity of time. Time is four dimension and how time helps to measurement of world and its consciousness is roughly explained by Sir Albert Einstein. Today we are gonna discuss 0 to 64 dimensions. You heard it right from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 dash 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 to 64 dimensions one lecture. This video is big and complex, filled with knowledge. Before we start, like, subscribe, and share my video and channel. So let's start, baby. What is dimension? Let me explain. Dimension is conventional method of measurement. So by use of dimensional knowledge, we can acknowledge, explain physical world or world which is imaginary but analogous to physical world. Means planets. It is not parallel world or rival thing. Until book relativity of time, known dimensions were length, breadth, width, height, depth. But Sir Albert Einstein explained four dimension as a time. Then what is fifth dimension? No one knows clearly. So when Albert Einstein will take rebirth again, and if he becomes intellectual scientist, then he might explain relativity of fifth dimension. What is fifth dimension? In my view, what is basic name of fifth dimension? It is not known to anyone. Fifth dimension can be anything knowledge, ignorance, detachment, insanity, weight, mass, speed, velocity, acceleration. It can be any important physical term or concept. Only person like Albert Einstein or himself will explain relativity of fifth dimension. So let's start discussing 0 to 64 dimension. I acknowledge this theory from Mahabharata from Vasishtha, Lord Vasishtha. Zero dimension is represented by point in dead matters around you there is a probability of consciousness. This consciousness is stuck, so it's zero dimensional being, means do not exist or imaginary. Seed is also kind of zero dimensional being, as we cannot decide whether seed is alive or dead. So seed is also zero dimensional being. Zero dimensional being is called by dead by me is dead dimension. Now let's discuss first dimension. First dimension can be represented by using line. First dimension is represented by using line. Assume a green stick of a grass seed grows in only one direction. So we can say that grass stick is one dimensional being. Grass stick's power, ability, knowledge is limited to first dimension. So grass stick is first dimensional being. Now let's discuss second dimension. Plant which grows on vertical plane or animals who move on horizontal plane are second dimensional beings. So beings which have their power, ability, knowledge limited to area or second dimensional space are known as second dimensional beings. Let's discuss third dimension. Third dimension is mainly comprises of width, breadth, and height. Means volume. We can measure third dimensional being when they are static or stable. Robots, robotic humans, static beings like live in third dimension. Means yogis who do worship in Himalaya are kind of third dimensional being. Third dimension helps to grow energy level. First and second dimensional where energy storage dimensional. Third dimensional is energy increasing dimension. So if you live in third dimension for long time, probability of increment in dimensional knowledge increases. Fourth dimension. Let's discuss fourth dimension. Fourth dimension is basically comprises of width, breadth, height, and time. By use of time, we start to acknowledge story or event. A event and its probability, story and its movement basically comes in fourth dimensional acknowledgement. As we know, energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed. Hence, energy changes from one state to another. Fourth dimension time helps to change energy. Beings which are dynamic or can move comes in fourth dimension or fourth dimensional being. It is story dimension, fourth dimension. Fifth, let's discuss fifth dimension. As I already said, I don't know fifth dimensional relativity. It can be weight, information, knowledge, confusion, strategy, control, peace. It can be anything. But we can say that fifth dimensional being will be more powerful and knowledgeable than that of fourth dimensional being. People who can narrate good stories don't hate ideas, kings, inclusive peoples who are royal from birth. Such a people comes in fifth dimension. Don't stop now. Video is going to be more interesting. Six dimension. Let's discuss six dimension. Six dimensional being will be more powerful, knowledgeable than of the fifth dimensional beings. Actors, corrupt politicians, small practical scientists, doctors, engineers, R&D engineers, marketing professionals should be or will be coming in six dimensional or more powerful and knowledgeable than six dimensional being. On Earth, we can have maximum 10 dimensional creatures. If you reach up to 7 dimension, uh, your 50% or more brain will be explored by you, or it will be in working state. So 7 dimension is much more than higher than we can imagine. Jesus, Saint Jesus, Saint Ramdas, all other saints, true saints, some fake saints, Albert Einstein, Da Vinci, Tukaram Maharaj, Jnaneshwar, people who can create softwares or operating systems. In short, people who can create new or old code language or languages can be assumed or should be seven dimensional being. 8. Let's discuss 8 dimension. People's above 8 dimension don't use power too much. They always act as they know everything. They act as consciously. They can manipulate any being on earth. 8 dimensional beings can decode code languages, even they don't create that code languages. If you want to read a high code language, you should read Marathi book Amruta Novo by Sant Jnaneshwar. Sorry, if you want to read height of code language, you should read Marathi book Amrutanubhav by Sant Jnaneshwar. If you understand this book, you can assume yourself eight dimensional being. If someone can create theory of X-Men, he will write it in a code language. Cryptography is a knowledge of encoding and decoding code language with the help of algorithm and keyword. If you can decode code language without you are ninth or 10 dimensional being. Ninth and 10. Let's discuss 9 and 10 dimensional being. If you reach level beyond bondage and body at complete conscious level, you can perform many magics. Our brain can function in many dimensions and magics, but we cannot explore it without proper direction and implementation. Ninth and 10 dimensional beings live very strange life. From their birth to death, everything will be strange. Like they born for mission or a project. Such a being either take death at very early age or they live more than average life. Sometimes villains of gods also can attain or acquire or get powers or knowledge or speed of ninth and 10th dimension. Example, Devil King Hiranyaksh and Devil King Hiranyakashipu were 10 dimensional being. So to kill or defeat them, Lord Vishnu took 14 dimensional avatar, Lord Vara and Lord Nrsimha simultaneously. Normal creatures also can wait or go in ninth and 10th dimension for short or long time due to highest blood pressure or lowest blood pressure. Maybe take it as a joke, don't play with your blood pressure. 11 dimensional being 11th. Lord Hanuman is only and one and only being on earth who have 11 dimensional power, 11 dimensional knowledge and 11 dimensional speed. On earth any soul can reach maximum up to 11th dimensional speed, knowledge and power. 11, 12, 13 dimension. Scientists usually question us that there is a probability alien alien wander on Earth like men in black covering all their body parts. These unknown creatures must be living in 11 to 13 dimensional knowledge, 14 dimension. As I already said that known beings in 14 dimension were Lord Vara and Lord Nrsimha were 14 dimensional beings. 15 to 63rd dimensional creatures. In some Hindu literature, you can find many versatile, unique species or creatures or beings from different planets. They can be gods, angels, gods, servants, or other aliens. They might be lying in range of 15 to 63rd dimensional creatures. 64 dimensional person. Lord Ganesha is the one and only one person living in 64 dimensional knowledge, 64 dimensional power, 64 dimensional speed, 64 dimensional art. Lord Ganesha unconsciously or automatically can perform 64 arts at a time. It's like operating 64 machines at a time. By blessings of Lord Ganesha, one can reach easily at 9th and 10th dimensional power and knowledge. If you ever reach 9 or 10 dimensional consciousness, please write what is main concept of fifth dimension, what is relativity of fifth dimension. This was available information about 0 to 64 dimensions, and 0 to 4 dimensional knowledge is easy for humans. It can be available on Google, YouTube. Goodbye, sweet dreams. Have a nice day. My second lecture is about will be about Zid technology. It will be more spiritual than scientific, but it will be interesting. So thanks for listening my 64 dimensional knowledge. The name of video was Secrets of Dimension. Have a nice day. Bye. Goodbye. See you in second lectures. Please subscribe and like.